Another thing I want to point out is the summer heat and bearding. I've heard a lot of times that people are using like screen bottom boards and they're cracking the lid open to have the airflow going. I actually believe in total opposite. I think that what you're doing with that, it's like you're living in the house and you don't have air conditioning, and then you open windows and doors and you let all that hot air in, and you're actually doing worse. So I have bottom board, solid bottom board on all my hives, and you know, as you can see, they're not bearding. Today is like over 90. It's really hot and there's no bearding going on. And what they need is some kind of partial shade, like midday. I have shade, you know, and also I feel if they have one brood chamber, the bees are, you know, down. The brood is down in the first box, and all these boxes create a shade, you know, for them. See, in all of our hives, we have one box as a brood chamber, and we have queen excluder, and these are all honey supers. So at the end of the season, we're gonna collect honey supers, and we're gonna leave this first box. It's got 9 frames of honey. We're gonna leave it as food for the brood chamber, for our hives, and we're gonna reverse them in the fall, have the honey on the bottom, so the bees will move that honey from the honey supers above their cluster, above the brood, and have, I like to call them honey domes, like big thick honey dome above their cluster, so they have food through the winter.